Hey you guys, and welcome back to Kooks. It's your girl Keisha Michelle, and today I am going to be showing you how to make Tuscan chicken. Y'all, this recipe is so good, okay? Here I am just thinning out my chicken breast. I'm cooking a lot of chicken because y'all know I got a big old family of 7, and I need this to be for tonight's dinner and for leftovers for the next day.
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do.
Here I am just seasoning my chicken. Y'all know I always tell y'all to season to your taste, to your liking. Everybody's palates are completely different, but all I say is just, you know, be mindful of the sodium, sis. You gotta be mindful of the pressure.
All I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So here I am just kind of like pressing the seasoning down in the chicken so that I can flip it on over on the other side and season the other side of the chicken.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team?
So I cooked this chicken in olive oil and some butter, and I just put it in the pans and let it get nice and frothy.
It's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
At this point, you really want to just taste your sauce and see if it needs anything. I actually use salt, black pepper, and I think I used a little bit of the Slap Your Mama. Basically the same seasonings that I used to season the chicken. I used it in the sauce as well. And I just kind of played around until I got to a desired taste. Yeah, I know this looks like a lot of spinach, but trust me when I say the spinach will cook down. See? So with this meal, I decided to pair it with some 3 cheese tortellini. Y'all, this is my favorite brand. There are a ton of tortellini brands out there, but trust me when I say, go with the Barilla. Don't get no other brand. Just go with the Barilla. guys, that is all it takes to make this recipe. As you can see, it looks so good right now, okay? And it only takes like 30 to 45 minutes to make, okay? So it's definitely a must try. If you want something quick, you know, just give it a try. And if you give it a try, let me know. Follow me over on Instagram at LKREALITYTV_. Let me know how you like it if you try this recipe out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so already. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.